Hi, I'm Dr. Who. So I'm going to be talking about Sculptra. Sculptra is sort of like the little magic potion sitting on the back shelf. It's often forgotten, but it has a potential to produce some amazing results. Now, some injectors may actually feel a little uncomfortable using Sculptra because the results aren't reversible like these hyaluronic acid fillers, Restylane and Juvederm, and so they may not even offer it as an option for facial rejuvenation. But did you know that Sculptra's actually been around even longer than these HA fillers? It works a little differently though. It doesn't like plump and support like these HA fillers. It has a tendency to have a slow onset and a gradual filling effect that better addresses things like hollowing or soft tissue loss that occurs with aging, or sometimes even significant weight loss. So instead of growing old, you grow young, which is kind of a cool concept. So if you're seriously thinking about Sculptra, there are some things that you may want to consider. Sculptra does require a little bit of a pre-treatment regimen with arnica. This is to prevent any excessive bruising from the treatment. It's also not something that you tend to be able to just get right when you walk in, because Sculptra does have to be reconstituted or suspended a few days before treatment. So you often have to kind of reserve your appointment time a few days in advance. Thirdly, there is some post-treatment care that's involved. We do recommend that you do massages to the treatment area 5 times a day for 5 minutes each for the 5 days following treatment. We do recommend that 2 weeks following Sculptra treatment that you avoid additional facial procedures or microneedling, even Botox injections. And for 1 month following treatment, we ask that you try to avoid massages or even procedures like dental procedures or chiropractic visits where you may be laying down for an extended period of time and placing pressure on the areas of treatment. So if you're seriously considering some type of facial rejuvenation but not ready to jump into something quite as dramatic as a facelift, you may want to consider Sculptra as an option.